Hey everyone, it's Tawnya here. Now I've been getting a few emails lately asking about what's actually inside the VIP pass for the summit. Like, what do you really get once you go VIP? So I thought instead of just telling you, I'd show you. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. I'll give you behind the scenes peek at all the VIP perks so you can see exactly how much value you're getting and why past attendees say it's the best investment they've ever made all year round. All right, let's dive in. So first up, this is the big one. You're going to get access to all of the expert-led sessions for a full year. That means you can watch them, you can pause them, you can rewind and watch them again at your own pace. There'll be no more missing out because life got busy. Actually, let me show you the inside of the VIP area. So here's the main member area for everyone, but if you're a VIP, you get to jump in right here and go to another private area where all the good stuff is. And inside here, you'll find the video replays. Just click on it. Today we've got, boom, there it starts. Next in line is the VIP Success Journal. Now this is one of my most favorite parts. This journal, it's your built-in accountability partner. You'll use it to reflect, take action, and track your next steps long after the summit's over. Basically, this turns "that was inspiring" into "I'm actually doing it." Let me show you that journal. So inside your member area, you'll go here to grab and make a copy of the VAVS VIP Success Journal. I have mine right here. It's a Google worksheet, and there's instructions on how to use it and different worksheets that you'll have access to, where you can put your session notes in, what you've learned, your breaks, your wins, whatever you want. This is your journal to success. We have different spreadsheets for networking. We've got the swag bag implementation worksheet so that it entices you to utilize the $5,000 in swag that you have with the VIP pass. You can choose, do I like it? Yes. Ooh, yeah, this excites me, whatever. As well, there's other spreadsheets for attendee networking and research and resources. So that is your VIP Success Journal. Let's move on to the next one, the speaker slide notes. For my fellow note takers, this one's gold. Every speaker's slides are bundled into handy PDFs so you can print them out or annotate them right on your tablet, whatever you do. It's like your own organized summit binder without the sticky notes everywhere. Let me show you those. Let's just click on Gina's here to let you see what they look like. So these are the PDFs, which include screenshots of all the slides plus lines where you can take notes yourself. Really handy to print out before the event starts so that you can take notes and stay accountable. So that's our speaker slide notes. And hey, if you're short on time, I've got your back because I took my own notes for every session. I highlighted the best strategies, the quotes, resources, and you get access to all of them, so you really don't even have to take your own notes. You can think of it as a cheat sheet straight from me. Let me show that to you. So this is another Google Doc that you can make a copy of, and it's all the notes I've taken. It's really, really cool. You can just jump to whatever speaker you want, either on the left column or right here in the table of contents, and it will take you straight to that speaker's notes and everything I took down. I am an avid note taker. Even my takeaways and what I learned, I put in there for you. And get this, my summit notes are already 55 pages long, and that's before I've even watched the live presentations. Once the summit wraps up, please give me about a week to polish and upload the rest, okay? It's honestly turning into a little business Bible, packed with strategies, takeaways, and golden nuggets from every single session. You'll want to keep this one close. So those are my summit notes already done for you. Now, if you prefer to learn on the go or on the treadmill or whatever it is, you'll also get the audio versions of each session, and that's perfect for, like I say, when you're on the treadmill, on dog walks, errands, or those moments when you just need a little business motivation in your earbuds. And you'll be able to click on the link and listen to the audio in MP3 format. Next up, we've got Gina Correa. In fact, you can even download them. Now this one's huge. For 3 months, you'll get to hang out with me and hundreds of other freelancers inside the VANA community. It's where ideas turn into collaborations, and you'll never feel like you're running your business alone again. Let me show you that one. This is a forum-based community with all kinds of topics and posts. There's thousands of posts in here on everything from AI to bookkeeping to finding and retaining clients. If you've got a question, just ask, and you can be guaranteed your answer will be from someone that you can trust and rely on, because I have a great bunch of moderators in this community to help you out. And last but not least, the swag bag. It's packed with courses, templates, and tools from our amazing sponsors worth over $5,000 now. Seriously, it's like opening up a digital treasure chest for your business. Let me show it to you. And if you scroll down, you'll get to see everything that's in it. So go check it out. We've got full courses that you'd pay $497 on their website for. All kinds of swag, from AI-powered stuff to growing your business, speaking at events, list building. There's so much stuff here, and it's great to have the community as well to help you pick and choose what you actually want to start downloading and implementing. But check it all out. Some huge, amazing programs in here to teach you how to grow your business. Okay, I'm not going to go through all this. There's 45 or more now, valued at $5,000. And I could just sit here all day and look at all the stuff that's in here. Okay, so that's your VIP experience. It's real trainings, it's real tools, it's real community, and it's a ton of value waiting for you. So if you haven't grabbed your VIP pass yet, now's the time. It's a no-brainer. It's only $97, and you're getting well over $5,000 worth of goodies in it. You can start exploring all of this today, even before the summit starts. And there you have it, your all-access VIP pass to learning, growth, and connection. The VIP pass, it isn't just a ticket to the replays, as you could see. It's your roadmap to building a business that works your way. So don't wait until someday. Take that next step right now, and I'll be right there inside the VIP area cheering you on. Okay, that's it, my VAVS friends. Talk soon.